Once there was a king who ruled a kingdom. He was kind and worked hard for his people. He listened to the problems of his citizens and made fair decisions. His trusted minister always stood by his side. The minister was very smart. He advised the king in official matters and handled every critical situation wisely. The king trusted him more than anyone else. One morning, the king announced a new competition.
After 2 days, there will be a fun contest. Whoever tells me the best joke and makes me laugh more than others,
he said with a smile,
will receive a special surprise reward.
The courtiers clapped in excitement. That evening, the minister was sitting in his palace garden. The lamps were lit, and the maids served royal refreshments. Golden cups of tea, honey cakes, cream rolls, cookies, and chocolate pastries. His wife, Kate, and their children, Ben and Jia, sat beside him. The minister told them about the competition. Ben said excitedly,
"Dad, if you win, maybe the reward will be a chest full of gold."
Jia giggled.
Or maybe a new horse with a diamond saddle.
Kate smiled.
Your father only cares about doing his duty.
The minister laughed.
Well, a little treasure would be good.
They all laughed. But then Ben suddenly grew serious.
"Wait, Dad,"
he said. Everyone looked at him. Kate asked,
What happened, Ben?
Ben said,
"Dad, it's an important point we forgot. You have to make the king laugh more than anyone else. Can you do that?"
The minister smiled calmly.
Leave that to me.
Jia clapped her hands.
My dad can do everything.
Ben nodded. The day came. The royal court was full. All courtiers gathered in shining robes. The king entered with royal grace, and everyone stood up and bowed. The king nodded and said,
Let the competition begin.
One by one, courtiers told their jokes. Mr. Roland bowed and said,
Your Majesty, once a teacher asked a boy, Why are you late? The boy said, Because of the sign on the road. The teacher asked, What sign? The boy replied, It said, School ahead, go slow.
Everyone in the court laughed loudly. Then Mr. Felix's joke made the hall echo with laughter. Finally, the king said,
Now, Minister, your turn.
The minister stood up, bowed, and began.
Your Majesty. Once a man told his friend, I'm on a diet. The friend said, Then why are you eating cake? He said, Because it's my cheat day. And my cheat day starts every morning.
The court burst into laughter. Even the king leaned back, laughing loudly. The king announced,
Minister, your joke wins. I reward you with 5 elephants.
The minister was shocked.
Oh God. Elephants. How will I feed them?
Then he forced a smile and bowed.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
At home, the elephants arrived. Ben made a face.
Where will we keep them?
Jia frowned.
I don't like elephants.
Kate said.
How will we feed them?
The minister sighed.
I'll leave them in a nearby forest.
He took the elephants and set them free. Soon the news spread. A courtier told the king,
Your Majesty, the minister left your elephants in the forest.
The king shouted in anger.
Guards! Bring the minister here at once!
The royal guards left immediately. The chief guard entered the minister's palace and said,
Your Majesty, the king has called you.
The minister replied calmly.
All right. I'm coming.
As the guard left, Kate said worriedly,
I think the news has reached the king.
The minister smiled.
Don't worry. I'll handle it.
The minister soon reached the palace. The king roared.
Why did you throw away my reward?
The minister bowed.
Your Majesty. They need food, space, and care. I couldn't keep them.
The king understood and said,
You are right. I reward you with a box full of gold.
The minister bowed and said,
Thank you, Your Majesty.